Hi everyone, I'm Drew with Mobility Direct, and today I have a really neat unboxing I'm going to show you. It's how to unbox the monster. It's the Vita S12X. So we're going to go ahead and get that started for you. But before we go ahead and do this unboxing, I want to make mention of our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you probably should, because if you do, you're automatically entering yourself to win a mobility scooter every single month. If you'd like a catalog, make sure you go to our website, and at the top of the page you will find a link that says free catalog. Click on the link, fill in your information, and in about 2 weeks you'll have this same catalog delivered to your doorstep. Let's move on. So as you see, this is what you can expect to get when you get the monster scooter by EV Rider. It's shipped very nicely. It's on a pallet. Nothing was stacked on top of it as indicated. So we're going to get to it. First thing we're going to want to do is cut our pallet straps. And let's go ahead and get this shrink wrap taken off. Usually with the large scooters like this, everything is assembled for the most part. You usually just have to connect the batteries. So, looking at it here, I think I can just lift up. Yep, that's it. Just lift up the corners of the box. Mind you, I've never set up one of these before, but I've set up plenty of them. That's a nice looking scooter. So, it's packed very well. I'll locate the tiller, see what's going on around here. Man, this is nice. This is the black and blue. Beautiful looking scooter, I gotta say. So it's still on the pallet. We're obviously going to work to ride it off of the pallet here. Forward or reverse, I don't know yet. Let's just continue on working here and unpacking this. And what I'm looking for is to completely expose the tiller so that I can lift the front end of the scooter up. And I'm actually just going to take the seat off, and I'm just going to set it right here. And here is the manual recline, so we're going to bring that up so it can sit. So, continuing on, I'm going to think about getting this off the pallet now. Let's see. Here's the brake. That is neutral. Okay. Lift up the front of the scooter. And take out the other pieces. Mind you, you see that I'm lifting this here and holding it with one hand. I'm in good physical condition and I'm strong. And that's going to be all that's underneath here. We're going to go ahead and get this off the pallet now. I'll put the seat on. No tricks. Make sure it locks in position, and it does. Perfect. Let's put our headrest on. That was right here. Undo the washer and bolt it came with. When we take it inside, we'll go ahead and tighten this up. Okay. This is our charger. These are the rear view mirrors. Okay. And that's going to go here. One will go here. You just thread it in. And then we'll get it there, tighten that up as well, so it's nice and tight. Get it to our desired position. Same thing on this side here. Tighten that up. One. Okay, now we have our mirrors on. I would say we can go ahead and get this off the pallet. So, I'm going to pull out my knife and my scissors. In this case, it's going to be my scissors. So let's see here. I think that I can just break this box by pushing down right here. And pulling it right off the pallet. Just like so. It's a nice scooter. It's really nice. Got the plastic stuck in the wheels. That was the best. There we go. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. Let's put it in the drive. Might give it a real quick test here. Absolutely. All right, and just like that, that is how you unbox and set up your EV Rider Monster S12X scooter. This is your heavy duty, right out the box, it's ready to go. Turn the key on, and as always, make sure to visit our website, go to our YouTube, check us out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great one. Take care.
Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and hit the subscribe button. You can also enable notifications. That way you get notified whenever we release new videos just like this one. Our YouTube channel is organized into convenient playlists ranging from repair videos, review videos, unboxing videos, and we're constantly making epic videos. So make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel, check out our videos, leave a comment if you have any questions. We reply to all of our comments. We would also appreciate it if you like the video. And by the way, don't forget you can claim a copy of our free catalog. Just go to our website and then click on the green button at the top of every page. Just fill out that short form. You'll get one in the mail within 2 weeks. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.